I ask you about love.
So I was just getting ready to go to Darek's place today at 7:30 in the morning, and I guess the winter is back. Here is my car, which I want to go with to Darek's place, and here is a big pile of coal, which is on the way for me to go out, which means I need to wake Marek up, and we need to get the shovels and put all this coal through this window inside the house for me to go out. Let's go. Marco, there's a situation.
I'm gonna stay with Pershkos.
Please help. Okay, it's time to start working on it. 7:30. Let's see how long is it gonna take us. Other YouTube creators with 250,000 subscribers and us. I think we're doing something wrong. How's your Monday morning?
Well, my alarm rang 5 minutes ago.
Nice one. So we did it once on Instagram Live, and many people were asking what are we actually doing. So basically we had to order some coal, and then we had to throw all the coal through the like a little window here to the basement. And we need this coal to obviously warm the house.
Thank you, take it easy, man. Come again.
Back with V8 swap. Okay, so the plan for today is to put all the suspension together with the car, and to put the car on the wheels, on the ground. Darek will do fuel system from the fuel pump from the back all the way here to the engine. And as for me, I'm gonna be working at the back of the car. I'm gonna put the lights on, and I'm gonna try to put a wing on. because the wing is from Nissan S13. It wasn't fitting perfectly. We had to add a bit of a foam here, and now I'm gonna shape it, and then we're gonna put some fiberglass and some body filler. So now Darek is changing the diff, and I'm gonna put the tires on my freshly polished wheels. So our goal for today was actually to put the all suspension together, put the wheels on the car, and put the car down and get it out of the garage and take a nice picture with the car outside with the engine in. But as you can see, the sun is already gone, and we have like, I don't know, 10 minutes of having of brightness outside. So Darek is fighting very hard against time now to put the all suspension together and take the car out of the garage. Let's go. Okay, so the last thing for today is to make radiator mounts right here to put the radiator on place. Co to Zarek? Co to za czary?
To jest ten, brakuje mi słowa.
Bulbulator.
No, taki bulbulator.
Oh
So these are brackets. There's another one, same like this one on the other side, and there's gonna be a metal pipe going from one to another, and from this metal pipe there's gonna be another brackets to hold radiator. So that's gonna be our radiator mount, and obviously on the top as well there's gonna be another bracket here going to hold the radiator from the top. And we're gonna wrap it for today because we are super tired. So over the next couple days Darek is gonna work on all the little things which are not necessarily like super exciting to watch, so I'm not gonna come and film it. And next video that you're gonna see, it's probably gonna be working on electrics, and we should be able to start the engine in the next video. So that is the plan. I am super excited how it looks on the floor finally. And yeah, that's it for today.